Welcome to cabin 12556. I'm going to give you a tour coming right from the front door. We immediately have the bathroom. Now this bathroom is pretty cool because it doesn't have the creepy curtain there. Now it does have some pretty good storage, so let's check it out. So you did have some good storage. You've got the rack right there. You got the countertop and below countertop. Now, right here, if you can see it, there's a string going across. If you don't have that string, there will be a round disc on one side of your shower with a little knob. Pull the knob out, it'll be the string, and you hook it into the other side. If you pull it 3 times the right way, it will make the ship horn go off. Not really, but it's a good place to dry your clothes. Now, talking about storage, we've got a closet here, a closet there. There's some drawers underneath that closet. Not so much in here, but there is ample space. To hang your clothes and put some luggage in there. And then this one right here, just a good place to put some clothes. You've got your safe, which is stupid because you can't put a laptop or anything big in there. It's like a passport safe. And you got a few more shelves in there for your belongings. Now, since Houston's done trying to scare us, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give you a boo. You saw that.
Didn't it?
Right here, you got 2 110s. You have 2 USBs. You got a Euro plug, and a 110. So plenty of space. And this is a good shelf here. You can put all your devices on there that need to get charged. It's really cool. Now you do have some more drawers right here, and you do have a refrigerator as well. It does have a nice sized couch, which I'm sure if I keep pissing Houston off, I'm going to end up on. And you've got your king bed here, or your 2 twins, however you have it set up for your trip. Now, on either side of the bed, you do have a stand that you can do some extra storage on it. The lights actually have some plugs on it as well. It has a 110 and it has the USB. So you get plenty of places on the ship to charge, which is really fantastic. Now let's go check out the balcony. This is actually a nice size balcony. Usually I just feel like they're a little bit smaller. This one feels a little nice. I didn't say what you had a good view of, right? You had a good view of the parking garage and the Royal Caribbean Terminal A here in Miami. Some shipping containers, some lifts, and well, it ended with the skyline. So that completes our time here in the room. Just remember, if this is your first cruise or your first time you're having a balcony, you have to make sure your handle is completely down and in the locked position, or your AC will not come on. So if your room is a little bit hot, just double check that door, give it a little wiggle, yeah, and see how things work from there.